Hi, my name is Adam O'Hearn, and I'm an industrial designer in the consumer product design industry. Today we're going to be building a French press coffee maker from scratch using Solidworks 2010. This is a beginner tutorial, so we're going to start at the very beginning. The way I see it, there are three different types of 3D modeling packages. Over on the right we have examples of polygonal modelers that are great for two-dimensional output, like print, video, movies, web, or video games. In the middle, we have surface modelers. These surface modelers use NURBS or Bezier-based geometry to define the exterior surfaces of product designs, transportation design, or architecture, and they're primarily used by architects and industrial designers. But today's focus will be on parametric solid modeling. Parametric solid modeling is used for industrial design and engineering of consumer products, planes, trains, automobiles, architecture, whatever is a physical product that exists in the real world. And because we'll be making physical three-dimensional volumetric models, you'll be able to use those for prototyping, analysis, or even for creating the final manufacturing geometry for your products. And obviously today's focus is on SolidWorks. SolidWorks has some fantastic advantages, and two of its biggest advantages are that it's easy to learn and that it has a very consistent interface. As far as I'm concerned, this makes it pretty much unique in the CAD world. Very few packages have done a good job of integrating their interface, and I don't think that any have done as good a job as SolidWorks has. They're all making great strides, but right now SolidWorks is definitely a front runner in terms of ease of use. So we're going to be building this coffee maker, and we're going to do that in three parts. The first part, we will look at the SolidWorks UI. We'll be doing some basic setup and customization, and then we'll be creating a master form part document, importing that into an assembly, and then using that workflow to build the glass carafe for our coffee maker. In part two, we'll use the exact same techniques, but just with some new tools and tricks to create all the rest of the parts of the coffee maker: the lid, plunger, metal band, handle, etc. And finally, in part three, we will import some logo geometry from Illustrator and use it to emboss a logo. We'll then add some assembly constraints, talk about making a simple drawing, and then even export our geometry for prototyping or visualization. So without further ado, I think we should just go ahead and jump into SolidWorks. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with it, so make sure to keep in touch, and thanks for watching.